हाय ऑल ऑफ यू। ये जो मैसेज है ये आरएमएस फैमिली के लिए है जो इस तरह का फोरम ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं, स्पेशली फॉर प्रिंसिपल, वाइस प्रिंसिपल एंड ऑल स्टाफ एंड ऑल टीचर्स। काफ़ी इस पर आप लोग इन्वॉल्व हुए हैं और इस तरह का इवेंट फर्स्ट टाइम ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं। बहुत मेरे को स्पेशली बहुत मज़ा आया क्योंकि कुछ मेरे लिए चैलेंज था ये सब चीज़ करने के लिए, जैसा हीना मेकिंग हो गया एंड बिल्ड 80s एंड रोटी मेकिंग एंड आपका बेड मेकिंग में। तो थैंक यू मैम कि इस तरह का आप होप कि इस कोरोना वायरस से और कोविड-19 के थ्रू इस तरह से बहुत ढेर सारा चीज़ सीखने को भी मिला और जो चीज़ नहीं आता था वो भी हम लोग सीख गए हैं। स्पेशली फॉर थैंक यू प्रिंसिपल मैम, थैंक यू।
16th March 2020, all the schools got the information that the school has to be closed because of COVID-19. The whole country was struggling with that and we shut our schools. But we cannot stop teaching. So we came with the new approach, online classes. And we scheduled our classes and started regular classes for school students. And the teachers were totally busy with teaching aids, online classes, making PPTs, whole day issues. Parents are worried. Students' attendance was also an issue. But the teachers were working very hard. So one of my activity in charge, Thomas Samuel, came with an idea, why don't we do something for the teachers? Because teachers are working very hard. He suggested that we can have few activities. So he formed a team, Roma, Monica, Sunanda, Prabhat, Rahul. And they decided we'll have few activities like bleed 80s, twist and henna. For male teachers, they thought of roti making, bed making, and sports teacher felt we should have a chess so that teachers will be absolutely free and they'll enjoy the game. So we decided we'll have a digital competition, inter-school competition where all Jamshedpur schools will participate, and I'm very happy to share here that most of the schools participated in this event. Many teachers, and I must appreciate the effort by teachers here. Everybody did so well. We really enjoyed and even they enjoyed. We took the feedback from the teachers, they all enjoyed. So as RMS believe in that, spread happiness and love. For that motto only we started this event and we'll keep putting this kind of more event in this future so that teachers should be absolutely free from stress. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Norbert Joseph, and it's an honor for me to be chosen by the RMS High School to be the judge for the gold roti and bed making competition. I'm really grateful to Principal Ma'am, Dr. Shukla, and Mr. Thomas Samuel who gave me this opportunity. The results have been shared with Thomas sir, and he shall be declaring the names of the winners. I wish each and everyone all the very best. Stay safe. Thank you.
from Jusco School, Kadma. Today, I am going to perform a dance of Jayaprada from the movie Sharabi.
आई एम HP मुखी फ्रॉम DVMS कर्मा हाई स्कूल. ये पार्टिसिपेट जो है लीड्स 80s में. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. देखते रहिए.
पैसे का काजल दई के न लो हमरी जान, पैसे का काजल दई के न लो हमरी जान, लाखों की है हमरी जान बबुआ, झिक्की नकी झिक्की नकी झिक्की नकी झिक्की नकी झिक्की नकी ना. अरे लोग मुझे क्यों देते हैं ताना, हाँ मैं हूँ बीवी का दीवाना. अरे तो क्या हुआ, जमाना तो है नौकर बीवी का, तक दिना दिन तक दिना दिन तक दिना दिन, जमाना तो है नौकर बीवी. रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख दिया तेरा नाम. चांदनी ओ मेरी चांदनी, रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख दिया तेरा नाम. चांदनी ओ मेरी चांदनी.
आदाब, मैं हूँ अनामिका रॉय फ्रॉम जुस्को स्कूल कदमा. मैं आज उमराव जान का किरदार प्ले कर रही हूँ फ्रॉम द मूवी उमराव जान. होप यू ऑल एंजॉय. तू मुझे चाहे न चाहे ये तेरे बस में तो है, पर मैं तुझे चाहूँ ये मेरे बस में नहीं.
Good evening everyone. Myself Ankita Lalbani of Tarapur School is here to perform in the song of Mumtaz, and here we go.
हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया। हमने तो प्यार में ऐसा काम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया, प्यार की राह में अपना नाम कर लिया।
नमस्ते, मैं इंदु झा, विद्या ज्योति स्कूल की हिंदी अध्यापिका, आप लोगों को एक वीडियो भेज रही हूँ मधुबाला का अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाएगा। धन्यवाद।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
अच्छा जी मैं हारी चलो मान जाओ ना,
देखी सबकी यारी मेरा दिल जलाओ ना।
Hello, I am Kanchan Kumari from RMS High School, Balichela. I am performing in Bleed 80s. As you can see, in a simple way, I have tried to be a Sri Devi of movie Satma, and I will try to act like her. Let's see.
कौन है तू? यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? तुम्हें ठंड नहीं लगती? अच्छा तेरा नाम क्या है? नाम मालूम नहीं? अच्छा मैं बताऊं? तेरा नाम है हरि प्रसाद।
प्रसाद है ना? दो मिला दो मिला दो मिला दो मिला दो मिला। क्या है हरि प्रसाद? इतना सुंदर रिबन बांधा है और तू देखता ही नहीं। दिन भर सोता रहता है। हरि प्रसाद, तुम मेहंदी लगाओगे? ठहरो, मैं लेकर आती हूँ।
सपना ले जाए सपना ले जाए।
Hello everyone, this is Kanchan from Tarapur School. I am a participant of Bleed 80s. Here I am presenting you the different actresses of 80s.
Start.
जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिन जमा निसार हो गया। जवानी जाने मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिन जमा निसार हो गया।
Start.
आप जैसा कोई मेरी जिंदगी में आए तो बात बन जाए। हाँ, बात बन जाए। एक मैं और एक तू दोनों मिले इस तरह। एक मैं और एक तू दोनों मिले इस तरह। और जो तन मन में हो रहा है वो तो होना ही था। तेरे मेरे प्यार की चर्चे जब सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। आजकल फिर मेरे प्यार के चर्चे हर जबान पर सबको मालूम है और सबको खबर हो गई। Hello everyone, I hope you all like it. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, myself Karuna Mahato. I am from Shiksha Niketan and today I am portraying the famous character of Basanti. Thank you. हाँ बाबूजी, कहाँ जाओगे? बेलापुर, नावपुर, फतेहगढ़, रामगढ़, कहाँ जाना है बोलो? अरे क्या कभी तांगा नहीं देखा पहले? ये गांव खेड़ा है साहब, खेड़ा। यहाँ मोटर गाड़ी नहीं मिलेगी कि बैठे और गर्र से चल दिए। यहाँ तो बसंती का तांगा ही चलता है। देखो, मुझे बेफुजूल बात करने की आदत नहीं है। चलना है तो चलो, नहीं चलना है तो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। अब बसंती से कोई दुश्मनी तो हो नहीं जाएगी।
I am the queen of acting. I am the queen of dancing. I am the queen of expression. I am Mrs. Madhuri Dixit Nene. Namaste. This is Kumari Ragini, a teacher of Shiksha Niketan School. My sincere gratitude to each and every member of RMS team who provided us teachers the opportunity to recreate the golden 80s era of Bollywood. I am going to perform a few signature steps of the living legend Madhuri Dixit. This was my a little try to flaunt the signature steps of Madhuri Dixit. I hope you would like it. Thank you.
Sharma, a teacher of RMS School Balichela. I am here to depict the character of Jaya Prada as Yashodhara in the movie Sanju. कैसा दिखता है आपका राजू? राजू, मेरा लाल है वो, कुंवर कन्हैया जैसा, सुंदर सुंदर आंखें, गुलाबी होठ, ऐसे ही मुस्कुराता है मेरा राजू। कौन ले गया मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े को, कौन ले गया? Thank you everyone.
यशोदा का नंद लाला ब्रिज का उजाला है, मेरे लाल से तो सारा जग जिला। Zoo 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 यशोदा का नंद लाला ब्रिज का उजाला है, मेरे लाल से तो सारा जग जिला। रात ठंडी ठंडी हवा गाके सुनाए, भोर गुलाबी पलके चुमके जगाए। जू 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 यशोदा का नंद लाला ब्रिज का उजाला है, मेरे लाल से तो सारा जग जिला। जू 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 जू।
Thank you.
from RMS Kalichela. The name of my event is Bleed80s. And with this bobby print, you can now clearly identify that I'm in the role of Parveen Bobby. So the dialogue, the famous dialogue from Parveen Bobby is that कभी कभी कमरे तक छोड़ने वाले अक्सर कमरे के अंदर आ जाते हैं. कभी कभी कमरे तक छोड़ने वाले अक्सर कमरे के अंदर आ जाते हैं. So in the portrait of Parveen Bobby, myself Shreya Naidu. Thank you.
My name is Sunita Ghosh. I am a teacher of RMS High School, Balichela, Sonali. Today I am going to portray the character of Savana Ajmi, the name of the character of Radhe Kishan, which she was playing on Avatar movie. पछतावे के एक आंसू से तो भगवान भी उसे माफ़ कर देते हैं. आप क्यों नहीं माफ़ कर रहे हैं? आपको उसे माफ़
हाय, मैं सोनिता, एसडीएसएम स्कूल फॉर एक्सीलेंस. मैं शत्रुघ्न सिन्हा का एक्टिंग करने जा रही हूँ. वे प्रसिद्ध कैरेक्टर हैं. कैसे भूल जाऊं शीतल, कैसे भूल जाऊं पुरानी बातों के सिवा मेरे जिंदगी में रखा भी क्या है, और क्या क्या भूल जाऊं. क्या मैं भूल जाऊं कि जिस लड़की को मैंने पागलों की तरह चाहा, मुझे ठोकर मारकर किसी और के साथ चली. क्या मैं भूल जाऊं इस दोस्त को मैंने भाई से बढ़कर समझा, मेरे जज्बात को जानते हुए जिसे मैं चाहता था. क्या ये भी मैं भूल जाऊं कि तुम्हारे मोहब्बत में वे मुझे भूल गया. क्या ये भी मैं भूल जाऊं कि तुम्हें पाने के लिए वे मुझे छोड़ गए. इतनी सारी बातों को भुलाने के लिए किसी देवता का दिल होना चाहिए, और मैं देवता होने का दावा कभी नहीं किया.
Excuse me, I am not an illiterate. I am a graduate from the University of Allahabad. I am aware of the modernization of women, but I have not forgotten my culture, my customs, my traditions and my values. And most of all, I never ever forget that I am an Indian woman. मॉडर्न ज़माने की औरत भी औरत होती है, उसे भी मर्द ब्याह कर ले जाती है, मर्द को ब्याह कर वो नहीं ले जाती. ज़माने ख्याल और लिबास बदल देते हैं, औरत की शरीर की बनावट नहीं. लोग तुम्हारे ख्याल की लड़कियों को लज्जत के सामान भले ही समझते हो, इज्जत के काबिल कोई नहीं समझता. इज्जत आज भी उन औरतों की होती है जिनके आंखों में हया हो, शर्म हो, लाज हो. हम नहीं कहते कि तुम बंदिशों में रहो, लेकिन अपनी दायरे की सीमा को मत भूलो. लड़की जब अपने माँ बाप के घर होती है, तब उसके कंधों पर ही घर के इज्जत का बोझ होता है. लेकिन जब वो बहू बनकर ससुराल जाती है, तब उसके कंधों पर एक नहीं 2 परिवारों का बोझ होता है. आज जिस तरह तूने नकुल को तमाचा मारा, अगर उसका भी हाथ उठ जाता तो तुम्हारी क्या इज्जत रह जाती. कभी सोचा है तूने?
next time.
Congratulations to all the winners. See you next time.
We love you all.
See you soon.
Congratulations to all the winners.
Yeah, good evening, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening, Arun sir. How are you?
Yeah, fine. Okay. How are you, sir?
Admitting everybody immediately is a very big responsibility, I guess. If we delay a little bit, people might get angry. Okay, we have got 16 people so far with us. Hello, Edward sir. Good evening.
Hello, sir.
Good evening,
sir.
Good evening.
Thomas, till that time participants are joining, we can ask the few participants if they want to share their feelings, though they have
Sure.
through SMS, but in case also they can, till the time we are waiting for other.
Yes. Dear teachers, as you all heard, as we are waiting for other teachers, y'all can share your experiences, whatever you texted me personally, or maybe whatever you texted in the group. We would like to hear those words in in your vocals. So we would like to hear it, as the entire session is being, for your information, it's being recorded. Okay. So it's a humble request that all of y'all, not much, maybe for 10 to 20 seconds, each and everyone, if y'all, contribute whatever you want to say. Arun sir, we would like to start with you.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, we would like to start with you.
Nice experience, sir. Very nice experience, and we have enjoyed a lot. And all of you, we are worked very enthusiastically, and it is a very nice effort from all the team members of your school. It's a very nice event. And during the lockdown period, we have become very monotonous life, though we are taking online classes, but this gives us extra energy. This event gives us extra energy, and we had worked a lot, and really we have enjoyed a lot by performing in different events. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, Edward sir, I see you next to Arun sir. Can you just share your experience?
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Thomas sir. For me, it's a wonderful experience. First of all, working every day in Zoom classes, and this week got an exposure to express our best, try our best in whatever in our skills. Okay, and this is how we can learn things, we can share things. We are together. So not only the competition, the main is the participating and enjoying and knowing each other. So that was a wonderful experience, Thomas sir, to giving us this platform and to knowing each other. So it was a wonderful experience from me actually, in fact. So thank you everyone.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. You're so correct. Like our intention was also that each and every teachers would have fun and enjoy. So I see next to Edward sir, it is Madhu Barna on my system. Ma'am, something from your end.
Yes, good evening, everyone, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, you also, sir. I also enjoyed a lot during this Corona period. Usually we used to treat the students during school period that you have to perform this, you have to perform that, but we enjoy.
Is there a network issue? Hello. Hello.
Also enjoyed a lot during this period, and acting like a hero or heroine. It was an interesting fact. First time in my life. And that was my first experience in my life. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, teacher. And before I proceed further, teachers, at my area, in my place, at my home, I have got the best internet connection, I guess. Okay, so sometimes I'll get disconnected. Kindly bear with me. Okay. So, and in this case, the other teachers parallelly who are with me, Roma teacher, ma'am, and you all kindly take care. Okay. So just now I got disconnected for a moment. Okay. Next, I think as for now, we have got 34 teachers with us. Okay. Admit all. Okay, great. Now, over here, I do see one of our judges. She is already with us over here. Many of you all, okay. Let me say, like, there were 3 judges with us. Okay. And all of them 3 I would like to introduce, and I will further introduce again. Okay. I do have Neha ma'am with us. Okay. Neha is with us, and she's from Mumbai. Okay. I hope people who are using their laptop, they can see her, or maybe PS2 people who are having their mobile phones, they can just just swipe and just see. You can see Neha ma'am. Okay, she's with us. She actually judged the event Bleed 80s. Okay, and we are waiting for more 2 judges. Okay, one judge would not be present with us. That is who judged us for roti making and bed making. Okay, he would not be with us, but he has left a video file with us. I'll share with that. Okay, and one more is Dilip sir. Okay, many of you all might be knowing him. He's still I'm waiting for him to join, and he is the owner of DC Launch. I hope you all might be knowing. He's very famous in Jamshedpur. So he has actually judged Twist in Hina. Okay. So further we'll go with more teachers as others are still joining us. Okay. I see Ankita Lalwani teacher. Okay, great. Teacher, you're from JS Tarapur. Kindly share your experience, teacher.
So it was a wonderful feeling till now. We have not thought that we will be conducting such an online session over here. As such, you all have made us participate. It was a wonderful feeling. On every year, our school conduct Gurukul, so like online session you all conducted. It was a wonderful feeling. We enjoyed a lot and all that.
Thank you so much, teacher. Thank you so much. I do see Arpita teacher with us. I just saw she suddenly vanished. Yeah, Arpita teacher.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
Yeah,
teacher.
good evening. Yeah, good evening. Thank you, sir, for being a part of this event, and I really enjoyed this event, and I'm very happy for being a part of this. And thank you for this for being a part of this events, and a very good a very good opportunity for us, for the teachers. You all have given RMS to the and thanks to the entire team of RMS for organizing this event in this pandemic situation. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, teacher. Thank you so much. We would like to hear from Kanchan teacher. Kanchan Mukhi. Yeah. Hello, teacher. Are you there?
Yeah. Good evening.
Very good evening.
Thank you to the RMS family for organizing such a wonderful event. I enjoyed a lot because my husband also took part and myself also took part. So we both enjoyed, and hopefully we will have such kind of event in future also. And all the best for you all to organize such an event in future. And thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, teacher. Everybody's cooperation has really, pushed our brains that we should again and again organize this every year. Okay. And teachers, it's a very humble request. Like, trust us, we would not be judging at all at your looks. Okay. So please switch on your video cameras. Okay. So that we can see each and every one of you all and we can interact with each other. Teachers, please. Okay, great. I have more teachers entering in. So next we would like to hear from, I do see next is Sumi Barun. Am I pronouncing it correct? Sumi Barun. Hello teacher, are you there?
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening, Thomas, sir. Yes, myself, Sumi Barun, representing from Little Flower School, Jamshedpur. And a very good evening to one and all present here. And let me tell you that, yes, it was really a wonderful experience. And I always show expressions and teach my children how to enact, how to act. And today I have had got a wonderful opportunity to do it myself. So I've kept my fingers crossed, and throughout all my years, I've been helping my children out with elocutions, plays, dramas, and all that. So finally, I got a chance, and I always longed. I would always say when I was child that I would like to act and all. And thank you very much, RMS School. Because of you, I could do something, taking part in it, and wonderfully, you all have conducted it so well. It is so. Thank you very much, sir.
Most welcome, most welcome. Thank you so much, Sumaya Barun teacher.
Sumi.
I'm
Sir,
so
my
sorry.
name is Sumi.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, sir. Yeah.
Next, I do see Sheikh Sanaya. Am I pronouncing it correct? Sheikh Sanaya. Teacher, are you there? Teacher, Sheikh Sanaya. Hello.
Please
Maybe-
unmute yourself.
But audio is not.
Unmute yourself.
Sheikh Sanaya,
Just wait a
teacher,
minute.
are you there? Yeah,
Yes, it's Shania. Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
And good evening to the entire team of RMS and all the teachers present right there. It was actually a wonderful experience, if you believe, because every time after becoming a teacher, every time we see the little ones performing in the stage, if you literally ask me, then every time my body, it's like thirakna, which we call in Hindi. It's actually like that. We literally want to perform right up on the stage and showcase our talent, which is there inside us, hidden. And we really wanted a platform where we can also showcase these things. So thanks a lot to the RMS team for giving us an opportunity to actually show and enjoy our life to the fullest in this pandemic situation. Thanks a lot to all.
Thank you so much, teacher. Nikhil sir, are you there? I do see you that you are in with us. Nikhil sir? Okay, maybe he's Ragini miss, are you there? Ragini teacher, are you there? I do see your name over here. Okay, fine. Indrajit Pandey. Hello, sir. Hello, Indrajit, sir. Hello, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible, sir.
Okay. So maybe,
We can hear you.
Okay, great. Maybe they are unable to hear me. Raj, sir, I do see you over here. Raj. Hello. Raj Kishore Sharma, sir. Indrajit Pandey. Okay. No problem. Karuna Mahato. Hello, ma'am. Okay, fine. Admit. So maybe we should start. Almost I do see many of y'all over here because or else we have very limited time with this Zoom meeting. So great, as people will come in, I'll keep on entering them. So dear teachers, I would like to greet each and every one of y'all in this wonderful evening of 29th. I guess all of y'all have this idea. Today is the birth anniversary of our Honorable J.R.D. Tata. I guess you all know that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
Yes,
teachers,
sir.
wherever
Yes, sir, we
I
are
am
aware of
speaking and interaction is required, please interact. Otherwise, I'll feel like my net is not working properly. Okay. So great. This song, I'll start with this song. Okay, for all of y'all, I hope y'all enjoy. It is just a 20-second song. क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। ओ क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। तुझसे ही मेरी सुबह, तुझसे ही हर शाम, तुझसे ही करता शुरू हर कोई काम। क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। ओ क्या दे सकता हूँ, क्या ला सकता हूँ, कहता तुझे बस शुक्रिया। So this thank you was for all of you all. Okay.
Wonderful, sir. Wonderful, sir.
And thank you so much.
Sang so well. Beautiful. Beautiful song.
Thank you so much. This song was for all of you all. Thanking you all for
Thank
all
you.
of your participation. And above all,
Thank you.
above all, I
Thank you. Thank you.
I thank Almighty God that He has given us this opportunity to do this and to participate in this. Okay. And on this day, I would like to say, it was said by my guru, okay, my guru, as we are teachers now. I would switch on to Hindi and English, please, because several teachers, they personally texted me, ki, sir, ye English mein honge ya Hindi mein honge? I said, ab aao, please, dono mein honge. Okay. And I'll speak in both the language, so all the teachers would be able to, relate with each and everything that I'm speaking. Okay. So, मेरे गुरुजी ने मुझसे कहा, like, बुलाए तो इनवाइट बहुत कोई को किया गया है, लेकिन चुने हुए बहुत कम है. So we tried our best to invite each and every one in Jamshedpur, okay, all the teachers, and many did participate and many couldn't participate. बहुत कोई इसमें भाग ले सके और बहुत कोई भाग नहीं ले सके, okay. और ये हम मानते हैं, we believe this कि जो होना है वो होगा, okay. And यही हुआ, देखिए कि many participated, we all enjoyed, and many, due to some reasons, they couldn't participate. We are thankful to them also. Okay, maybe next time. Okay, and दूसरी बात कि दिया जो है वो दिया जो है ये के ऊपर पलंग के नीचे कोई जला के नहीं रखता, ये भी हमारे गुरु ने कहा, उसे दीवट के ऊपर में रखा जाता है. We keep the lamp on top so that everybody might get light. So this idea actually came into our mind with the unit of RMS High School. This came into our mind कि we all the teachers are very much like light, okay, and we are so much like this light, and we need to show not only the art of teaching. Obviously, we all are here to show the art of teaching and to show our kids the correct way. But parallelly, we are blessed with so many more talents with us. It might be anything. Okay, we did show we gave you all offer of 4 talents over here, like making roti, okay, twist in henna, chess, and bleed 80s, and bed making. So this was the limited talent we could show at this moment. So we brought this platform, okay, and this platform did help, I guess, us also to recognize so many of y'all, and y'all also had this opportunity, to show your art to so many of us. So we really enjoyed this, and before we have kept this thing that in the last we'll declare the results, okay. So before that, we would ask our judges to speak on how they felt. We have Neha ma'am with us over here. Hello Neha ma'am, are you there? Hello Neha ma'am. Hello. Hello Neha. Hello. Hello. Maybe she has some network issue. She's not with us. Maybe when she comes, we'll get in touch with her. Yeah. So for Bleed 80s, Neha ma'am, when she'll join us, I'll tell her to speak for that. And as for now, I'll tell Principal ma'am. Hello, Principal ma'am, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there.
Yeah, Principal ma'am, just share a little bit how you felt about all this till our judges they come in.
Good evening, everyone. Very happy
Good
to
evening,
see
ma'am.
the response.
Good evening, ma'am.
Very happy to see the fantastic response from the schools. And please convey my thanks to the principals, ma'am, also, because we circulated this in the group, and very happy that they have, shared with you all, and you are enthusiastically, you have participated. Where I feel we are very lucky in Jamshedpur. The teacher fraternity is multi-talented, because most of the videos, I think I have seen all the videos, whether it is a twisted henna and bed making, roti making, and bleed 80s. Everyone has given his or her best. So I'm so happy that, normally we see the teachers teaching to the students, but in this pandemic situation, this RMS unit, and basically the team members, I'll just here congratulate the team members, that is Thomas, Roma, Monica, Sunanda, Rahul and Prabhat. This is the initiative taken by these people only, because nowadays what we see, because we see in our school also, teachers are busy only conducting online classes, busy in back screen, teaching aids, network issues, problem attendance, but we thought of that do something different. And I must share with you all, RMS stands for that. We always believe spread happiness and love. And this was a platform, digital platform, Gurus of Gurus, to spread love and affection through RMS, because we all should know each other. So much talent you all are having. I was really very happy to see the Bleed 80s. Each and every teacher has done so well. So keep going, keep performing like this, and definitely in future also, because we do not know how long this corona will be there, but RMS will definitely come up with some different ideas and will give you the platform. Thank you so much for participating in this event. And I think we'll just listen from other judges also. And I'll thank all the judges also to give in this wonderful opportunity to all the participants. They have seen each and every video and given the judgment. And please do not get disheartened if the prizes, maybe you are not, getting the prize or something, because you can understand you all are so beautiful and perform so well, difficult to give a first or second prize to everyone. But yes, definitely the judgment will be final from the judges side. So, but I am very happy to see each and everyone on this digital platform and inter-school faculty program. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Neha ma'am, are you there? Hello? Hello? Hello, Neha ma'am? Hello? 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 Fine. I ask our Neha ma'am. Yeah. Neha ma'am, hello? You're not audible. Hello? 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 Okay, maybe.
She has muted herself, Thomas.
Yes. I do see that. I have sent her a request to unmute. Hello. Okay, maybe when she joins us again. Meantime, I'll ask Sunanda teacher. Hello, Sunanda teacher, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Okay. Fine. Sunanda teacher, before Sunanda teacher declares the result for twist in henna, okay, I would request. I would tell you all that the judge for twist in henna was the owner of DC Lounge. Okay, teachers, you all know DC Lounge? Like it has so many branches in Jamshedpur. Yeah. So he's the owner of that. And I requested him to judge this, and in a very last moment, he accepted it. Okay, I was waiting for his reply, and he accepted it, and he has sent me. So it's like we have given the first place. I've got a message from Sunanda teacher that that I should declare it. Okay, I'll declare it. The first prize goes to Raja HP Mukhi sir, for henna making, twist and henna. And the second prize goes to Arun sir for twist and henna.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you.
Most welcome, sir. Your rewards would be reaching to your school, and after the lockdown, you'll.
Thank you, Thomas sir.
Yes, please tell me. Okay, your rewards would be yes. Your rewards would be reaching to your school. Okay, and you can collect it from there. Okay, and all the teachers. I guess you all are waiting
Thomas sir,
for
thank
more
you.
results. Most welcome, brother. You all must be waiting for more results. Neha ma'am from Mumbai, are you there? Hello. Neha Sinha ma'am. Hello, are you there? Hello. Hello. I think she got admitted now. Neha ma'am, are you there?
Thomas, I think you can give a personal call, or maybe you can pass her number so that we can contact her.
Okay. Teacher, just give me a moment. Yeah. Just give me a moment, teacher. I'll just call her.
Till the time we can listen from other teachers. I think
yes.
Raja, you have already won one event, so we want to listen from you.
थैंक यू मैम. राजा बोल रहे हैं. थैंक यू अचला मैम, ये इस तरह का इवेंट आप लोग ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं. हाँ, अभी तो कोरोना का पीछे किया, नेक्स्ट टाइम में कोरोना का आगे करेंगे हम लोग.
डेफिनेटली सर, एकदम.
मैम ये इवेंट जो है ना, मेरा एक सजेशन था, ये इवेंट जो है नेक्स्ट टाइम में अगर ये ठीक ठाक रहा तो आपका स्कूल में ये टीचर्स लोग का कंपटीशन होने वाला है.
एकदम. We are ready with the auditorium also. Next time we'll do it in auditorium.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. नेक्स्ट टाइम में भी अच्छे से, कभी भी हम लोग का जरूरत पड़े तो तुरंत हेल्प के लिए एकदम रेडी रहेंगे आप लोग.
श्योर.
हाँ, थैंक यू मैम.
Thomas, I think you can ask Neha is there. She can. Thomas, you are not audible. You are not audible, Thomas.
Yeah, now I would be audible. Yeah. My mic was actually, so my mouse was not working. Great. Hello, Neha. How are you? Hello.
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Hello, Neha. All of the teachers, I would first like to introduce Neha ma'am. Okay, there was a shooting in this Jamshedpur once. Few of you all know about this. There was a movie Gaon, okay, that was being shot over here by the director Gautam sir. And during that time, I met this very energetic girl over there. Okay, and then I proposed her that will you judge this event? And she said, okay, fine, we'll do it, sir. And she has been associated with. How many of you all have heard about this movie Commando 3? There's Vidyut in that. Teachers, have you all heard about it?
Yeah.
No. Okay, the teachers who have not heard, you all can Google about this movie. Okay, and the teachers who all have heard it, she has been a part of this project. Okay, so she has been part of this project, and she has been part of many more things. I'll just tell a little bit about her. Just give me a moment. Hallelujah. Now, great. Just give me a moment. Thank you. Yeah, she has made many ad films, and she has done shows like Masterclass, Savdhan India. How many of y'all have heard about this Savdhan India? Teachers, you all have heard about it?
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes,
she has been a part of this, and she has been a part of Life Ka Recharge. Okay, and there are many more movies in which she is about to be a part, or even about she has been a part. She has been a part of Gudu Dhanon Ramtha Jogi. She is going to be a part of that also. So Neha, we are really happy that you are with us and you judge this event. We would like to hear the name of the winners from you, and we would like to know from you how you felt about the performance of all the teachers for Bleed 80s.
First of all, thank you so much, Thomas sir, and all of the teachers. मतलब ये मेरे को जो सारे वीडियोस मिले और बाकी जो कुछ भी मुझे मिला, मतलब मैं बहुत ओवरवेल्म थी कि आप लोगों ने मुझे चूज किया इतने बड़े इवेंट को ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए, आप लोगों ने ऑर्गेनाइज किया और मुझे जज करने के लिए। और मैंने सारे वीडियोस को देखे, हेलो या वो मैंने सारे वीडियोस देखे, मैंने सारे टीचर्स का वो जो एंथुसियाज्म था वो बाकी मैंने मुंबई में बहुत सारे लोगों में नहीं देखा है। मतलब मैं डेली हमारा यही काम होता है कि मैं लोगों को ऑडिशन लूं, उनको सेलेक्ट करूं, बट जो एनर्जी और जो पैशन आप लोगों के अंदर है, ऑलरेडी आप लोग टीचर्स ऑलरेडी काम कर रहे हैं और उसके बाद भी आप लोगों ने इतने अच्छे से अपना काम किया, सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से किया। बट उसमें से कुछ लोग थे जो जिन्होंने मतलब उसमें क्राइटेरिया था, मैंने डिसाइड किया था जिसमें कॉस्ट्यूम्स होंगे और आपका डायलॉग, सिलेक्शन ऑफ डायलॉग्स एंड सॉन्ग्स, या फिर आपके बॉडी जेस्चर और आपका एक्सप्रेशन, ये सब कुछ एक साथ डिसाइड करके कि इन लोगों में से किन्होंने सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा किया। तो इसमें 3 लोग ऑलरेडी सिलेक्ट किया था मैंने। आई होप आप लोग एग्री होंगे। HP मुखी DBMS कदमा स्कूल से हैं।
Yes, congratulations HP sir.
And the second is hello. And the yes HP मुखी सर, आप मतलब ये ब्लीड 80s के जो भी विनर है फर्स्ट वो आप हैं, और सेकंड है अर्पिता चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम जुस्को स्कूल कदमा।
Wow, congratulations Arpita teacher.
Thank you so much. Thank you sir. Thank you Neha ma'am.
The third winner is Shatabdi Chakrabarti.
Congratulations teacher. Thank you congratulations. Maybe she's not here with us.
Thank you.
No sir, she is having network issues, she can't join.
Okay, no. We'll convey her the message. So thank you so much Neha ma'am, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Very nice Raja sir, once again.
Yes. Congratulations to all the winners of Bleed 80s.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you ma'am.
And I'm so much talented person you are, Raja sir. The way you are performed. Beautifully performed. Really, beautifully so much talented.
Now, before I proceed with the results of the last event, that is roti making and bed making, okay, and before I declare the result of that one, I would like to ask all the teachers over here. Teachers, you must be, had it been if this event would be, physically we all would be present, we would be able to see each and every performance, and no doubt we would be enjoying each and everyone's performance. But as for now, we are unable to see each and everybody's performance. So in that case, we have what we have done. We have actually compiled all the events together, okay, and even the video that we are having today, these all things would be compiled together, and it would be put on YouTube on the RMS channel, okay, RMS YouTube channel. So you can go over there, log in, and you can see it over there. And yes, it would not be visible to everybody. It would be kept private, and the link would be sent to all of you all, okay. So kindly send your mail to us on the same group so that we can send you the link, and so that you can only see those entire show, okay. It would be only exclusively be available for you all. Now My second question for all the teachers, if any teachers have any issues like that, if you do not want that your performance should be, put on YouTube, so in that case, please kindly get in touch with your the event, the teacher who was in charge of the event, and send your request to her. And when she forwards me the request, your video would not be put over there. Okay. However, the teachers, we would request you all that if your video is not put over there, kindly give us the permission to at least, put your pick over there, that certain teacher is the winner and this is that their performance. So that is what I want to say. As for now, teachers, any of you all, do you think you have any issues, like it's okay with it, like if I put everybody's video on YouTube? Sirs, anybody? Especially the winners. No problem. Thank you so much, sirs. And still I'm saying,
sir, no problem.
Thank you so much. Still I have given you all this option. Still, if you agree, do not want that your video should be there, okay, kindly tell to the teacher in charge of the
Thomas,
TV.
we can give some time, Thomas. We can
Yes,
give
yes,
some
yes.
time to the basically the female teachers. If you
Yes.
have any issue, you can contact to the event manager. We will
Yes.
not put it on YouTube if you are
Yes.
not ready with that. It
Yes,
will be
yes.
absolutely confidential. So be assured with that and contact with the event manager. Right?
Yes.
Yeah, Thomas.
And now we have Monica teacher with us. Will be speaking about the event first. Let's hear from us how she felt about the event, because roti making and bread making, she had suggested, and I was saying I don't know if the male teachers would agree to such event, because had it been if teachers would break the chain, or maybe do some muscular things, maybe dips, tell them how many dips in a minute, they would agree to it. But making rotis, I don't know they would agree. But she said, let's see, sir, let's do it. And we got good response from all the male teachers. So Monica teacher, over to you. Hello.
Monica, unmute yourself. Monica, unmute.
Not audible, Monica.
Hello.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible, teacher.
Yes. Very good evening to everyone. And yes, roti making and bed making was my idea for all the male teachers. What I always feel, we need to push ourselves and come out of our comfort zone. So this was one thing which I feel that all the males are very not going in the kitchen, don't want to do that, ask your wife to make the bed. But a very famous person has said that if you want to change the world, first you need to know how to make your bed. And this video is very famous on Facebook. One military person from US has said this, that start making your bed. That is one thing you can do, and then you will be very organized. So that impresses me a lot, and that came to my mind. Let's see. And even though if the teachers are not knowing, while doing this, they may learn and they may help their mom, their sisters and their wife. So it will be beneficial for the lady at the home. So I personally loved it. And the video which I got, I was amazed. We have professionals. The way you people made the roti, my roti doesn't become that goal. So you people were so incredible. And especially after this, the winner's name will be there, but I'll tell one person, the way he made the bed, I don't know from where you learned, but that is only taught in military. The particular knots that you make so that the bedsheet doesn't move here and there, you will see that in the people doing in hotel, and the military people do their bed like that. So you people were very professional, and I was so happy, and I showed that video to my husband so that he can learn that. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, teacher. I again received a message from Monica teacher that I should be revealing the winner's name and even telling about the judges. So okay, fine, teacher, I'll tell actually the name of the winners. Before I tell the name of the winners for roti making and bed making, I would like to tell the name of the judge. His name is Mr. Norbert Joseph. Okay, and he is associated with Canalite Groups. Okay, and he has been in this hotel industries for past 17 years. And I thought that why not to get in touch with him, because he has been associated with this making rotis, chicken and everything, So he's in this field. So I told him, please judge it, and he did it. And again, I got the results yesterday night around 12. Okay. So the results are as follows. For bed making first prize, it's one sec. Let me tell the teacher's name. Thank you, Jesus. Okay. Bed making first prize. Okay. The person would be, I would be giving hint, and the sir would be actually telling it's me. Okay. That would sound really good. Sir, actually, this person, this sir made the bed exactly as the teacher said. This has been taught to the soldiers. Okay. Actually tying the 4 knots at the 4 corner of the bed sheet and then putting it on the bed so that the bed sheet actually sets up in the proper place. Sir, are you there?
Yes, I'm there.
Yes, Edward sir,
Yes.
it's you. The first prize goes
Yes.
to
Yes,
Edward
thank you.
sir.
Yes,
I so much like it when people say yes, me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so
Great,
much.
great. You're the first prize
Because
for.
I know it. Thank you so much.
Great. So first prize
Praise the
goes
Lord.
to you, and the second prize for bed making is. Hello, sir must be there.
Is there?
This is Indrajit,
Is
sir.
there?
Indrajit
Yes.
Pandey. Hello, sir, are you there?
He was there right now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
So you have won the second prize, and third prize.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, welcome.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir. And third prize has been won by HP Mukhi, sir.
Oh, 1 second.
Again, he has received this prize. Amazing. Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations to Kanchan ma'am.
Congratulations of all of you.
And now it,
एक
you, sir.
इवेंट तो छोड़ देना था आपको, किसी एक इवेंट में पार्ट नहीं लेना था. एवरी इवेंट में यू आर टेकिंग
Very
पार्ट.
talented person, you can see now. Everywhere he is there. Everywhere Raja is there.
Ma'am,
chess में नहीं लिए. So talented. Kanchan, you should be proud of yourself.
इसलिए चेस तोड़ दिया मैम.
In every event, and I
इसलिए
feel
चेस
so
तोड़
happy
दिया.
for Kanchan ma'am.
नहीं चेस तोड़ दिया ना मैम हम.
Well trained.
before we go ahead with this roti making, okay, I would like to request all the teachers, if they have any queries, still they have any queries or any questions, okay. So after this show, okay, we would be available till 9 o'clock. Okay, I told all the teachers. So you all can send your queries regarding anything about any program or any feedback you'd like to give. Okay, we would welcome all your feedback and anything, any queries, any questions you all have. Okay, we would be available till 9 o'clock today. Okay, now for roti making, again, I would be giving a hint, and the teacher, the male teacher, you all have to actually say that it's me. Okay, this male teacher actually made this roti, I guess, better than any female. Okay, or maybe compared to any female, because this male teacher made 2 rotis. Okay, first he I'll speak my English, he belo-fied the rotis well, okay, and then he took that chimta and roti ko fulaya bhi, amazing. So that was only
Called roti making, sir. That is the way you make a roti.
Yes.
When you ask someone to make a roti, then it should be that goal puchka you want.
So any idea who is that male teacher? Black dress while making the roti.
I've seen the video, and you are professional. No doubt he is professional.
Yes.
Absolutely professional.
Okay, I'm just
You can
getting
announce the name.
Yes, I'll announce the name. I'm so happy this male teacher thinks there are many more male teachers like him. I'm so happy, sir. It's you, Edward, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much,
Edward,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
I'm
so
so
much.
happy you didn't
Thank
say
you.
like. I'm so happy. Otherwise, he was quiet. Maybe he was thinking, और बहुत कोई ऐसे हो सकते हैं.
Yes,
Okay.
it was so professional. When you say make
No
a
doubt.
roti, this person nicely bellofied the roti, and the roti was full goal.
Yeah. So
It
we'll be
bunched up
putting.
full goal.
Thank you, Monica ma'am. Thank you, Monica ma'am, for acknowledging and giving
Another
me.
thing, all the rotis were on the same size. All the rotis were the same size.
Yeah.
That is also a credit. All the rotis were the same size.
True, ma'am. True. I agree.
Teachers, we'll be
Thank you
uploading
so
this
much.
video also. You all can see how this, actually made the roti. That was so good. And the third prize I have missed the second one. I'll say that in the last. The third prize goes to HB sir. Hello, are you there, sir?
Oh, once again.
Yeah.
HB sir is out of contest. HB sir is out
Just
of
let
contest.
me tell
He
you,
will not
in 1 minute, in 1 minute,
Oh.
this he made 6 rotis, but this was completely like bit out of shape, I guess. Okay, but he won the third prize. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome.
He has switched off his video. He doesn't want any more prizes. Too much of
And
it.
the third prize, goes to this sir. Actually, my apology that I do not have his name for now, but I'll show you the video. Can you see the video? This sir, if you are here, please. You are the winner of the second position. Teachers, can you see this?
Amrish sir from Mount Litra Z School.
Amrish sir
from Mount Litra Z School.
Okay. Congratulations, sir. Are you there?
He's not there in the call.
Oh, he's not there, sir. He's not
Okay,
there.
maybe he's not there, but this sir is the winner. Any teacher from his school?
Yeah, I'm there.
Okay, great. Sir, do convey the message to him. Okay. And
Yes,
he
sure,
is the winner
definitely.
of the second prize.
Sure.
Yes, he is the winner of the second prize. Okay. So that's it. We have announced for Bleed 80s. We have announced the winners
Amrish
for.
Kumar, sir.
Sorry.
Thomas, sir, please note it down. His name is Amrish Kumar from Mount Litra Z School.
Teacher, we do have his name, but as for now, I didn't have that list with me. I do have his name. Okay. Okay. Yes. So we have announced the winners for Bleed 80s, for roti making, for twist in henna, and also for Bleed 80s, twist in henna, roti making, and bed making. Right. We announced the winners for all of them. And teachers, you all can check in the newspaper. You will have this published in the newspaper as well. Okay. And on YouTube, we'll send you all the links personally. Okay. And before we end up, we would like to tell each and every one of y'all, thank you so much. We do understand, being a teacher, that teaching online is not easy. Okay. And you all have been teaching online. You have been, faithful to your profession. And it has been again taught by my guru, ki whenever we are very tired, rest is very much required. Relaxation is very much required, so that we can proceed with whatever we are doing in our lives. So that's why this program came out, that to provide y'all a relaxation, a rest, okay, and so that we can proceed. We never know when this lockdown will get over. We are thinking it will get over in September, but we never know it. So let's see. And we would like our principal ma'am to
Thomas,
end
sir,
up.
there is a request.
Thomas, there is a quiz like chess competition.
Yes, one request is there. Can you
Okay,
please?
yes. I was thinking I'm missing something. Yeah, because I'm not seeing games. Sir, Rahul, sir, are you there? Rahul, sir? Hello?
Yes, I am there. Yes, sir.
Okay, hello,
Good
Rahul,
evening, all of
sir.
you. Yes, I am
Yes, sir, we are waiting for the
Hello, sir.
chess results. The teachers are waiting for the chess results.
there. Actually, I am having network issue. You can declare the result. Result is with you, I think.
Okay, sir. Okay. You're having Prabhat, sir, is there?
Hello. Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yes,
Yes,
Rahul.
he's trying to connect, but
Okay.
he's asking you to declare the result.
Okay, I'll declare it. Just give me a moment.
Network issue with Rahul, sir.
Okay. Admit. Teachers, just give me maybe a moment. Monica, teachers, please take control, because I'll be getting in touch with sir. I do not have the results now. I'll just get in touch.
So the meanwhile, Thomas sir is declaring the result for the chess. So very congratulations to all the winners. And I was as I told, I was highly impressed with all the male contestant who has been preparing rotis, making bed and putting henna. And for the event Bleed 80, the talent, the acting skill you people have is tremendous. Ashna ma'am, have you seen all the videos?
A few of them. Bleed 80 is a few of them I saw. Really enjoyed a lot. Some of them Chandni movie and saw Jayaprada's movie and
yes, it was incredible.
Yeah, Hawa Hawai song I remember. Really, that was very. Teachers.
I have one question. I was very curious to know something.
Monica, I
Yes,
think I
ma'am.
have shared Monica, I have shared the result of chess to you. You can declare the result. You can just check.
Yes,
I have
please.
shared.
Yes, please.
You can declare the result.
Okay. So I have the result with me for the chess, for the people who have participated. So the first position with 20 points goes to Shivam Srivastava, Jusko School Kadma. Is he here? Jusko School Kadma, Shivam Srivastav. Are you there, sir?
Shivam, yeah, he was there. He was there.
Okay. Shivam, sir, are you there? Much network issue is going on, so I think I cannot see him here. Anyhow, congratulations, sir. And second
He's
position.
not here right now.
Yes. Second position with 12 points goes to Manoj Pandey, MNPS Sakchi. I think Motilal Nehru Public School, that is MNPS Sakchi. Manoj sir? Is Manoj sir here?
No, he is not there.
Oh, it's not. Okay. Anyhow, congratulations, sir. Third position is between 3 participants with 6 points. So there is a tie between 3 participants with 6 points. First, Shreya Naidu, RMS Balichela. Are you there, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Very much. Thank you.
Congratulations to you, ma'am. Congratulations
Thank
to
you,
you.
ma'am.
Raj Kishore Sharma, Mount Litra Z School. Raj Kishore, sir, are you there? Raj Kishore, sir? I think fellow teachers, yes, fellow teachers are there who can convey the message to him.
There, Monica is there. Congratulations, Rajesh.
Oh,
Rajkumar,
yes, he's
sir.
there. Very congratulations, sir.
Hello.
Yes, can you hear me, sir? Raj, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm hearing you. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, congratulations, sir. Thank you for participating.
Thank you, ma'am.
And one more person, yes. Triloki Singh, Jusko School Kadma. Are you there, sir? Triloki Singh, Jusko School Kadma.
No, he's not there.
No, I cannot see him. Anyhow, Jusko School Kadma, I think Nikhil sir is there, can convey the message. And thank you so much, everyone, for participating. It was wonderful. We were not expecting so many participation, but you people were just incredible and wonderful, and you encouraged us a lot to create these kind of even more. So I'm very thankful to all the school who have participated, and hope to see these kind of participation in future also. If RMS is going to organize such kind of event, we always need all the school support so that we can create this kind of environment for you people. This COVID-19 situation is dramatic for everyone, be it online teaching or handling your family at home, male, female, everyone is struggling. So just to lighten the environment a bit, RMS took this initiative. I hope everyone enjoyed a lot, and many congratulations to all the participants and all the winners. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I repeat, teacher, all the rewards
you,
would be reaching to you all as the lockdown is over, to your respective schools. and all the participation rewards will be also sent to your schools. All the teachers who all participated, okay, your rewards would be reaching to your schools. Okay, ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, all of you. Those who are the winners and those who have not won, that is also because I have seen and I feel everybody was the winner. The way you people performed in Bleed 80s, really, it was wonderful. You know, somebody I could see, Jayaprada, Shabana Azmi, the classical dancers, my God, every teacher. No doubt the judge's decision is final and we have to welcome. But you are the teachers, you can understand, yes, everyone is in that platform. Our motive was to just give you a happiness. Just forget the stress what you are having right now with online teaching. Forget everything. Enjoy this kind of events. This kind of events will definitely in future also will conduct. And congratulations to the winners. And please convey my thanks to all the school principals who have really coordinated and given you all opportunity to perform on the styles. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
So,
Okay, Thomas, I
Yes,
think,
Thomas, you can.
yes, Thomas,
You can conclude, and I think
yes,
we'll declare the result on paper also. Tomorrow you can see the press release also. We are going to give in press also the kind of events we had and the winners also and the participants also from the different schools.
thank you all the teachers. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bless you all.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, lot.
RMS.
have a good day ahead.
Bye, ma'am.
Hari sir, congratulations, Hari sir.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सर, आपको भी
हाँ ठीक है, मार दिया चैंपियन।